Happy Monday, guys. Today is March the 10th. We are on our first of 2 jobs today. We rarely do 2 jobs today, but what we're going to be doing here, we're actually in a city called Rutledge, Georgia. It's kind of a little bit past Covington, Georgia. This is a client, found me online, watched my videos. I never came out here and did a consultation. I think he's moving in from California. So they moved into this nice, beautiful home. So we're going to be doing some screen and recoating. He's going to do it in sections. So we're going to be doing about 800 square feet today of an upstairs hallway, a bathroom, then downstairs like a little living room, and also another hallway. And after this, we got to go do a screen and recoat for a move out in Cummings, where I was referred to them by the neighbor. I did the neighbor's floors about a month ago, and they referred me to their neighbor. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today. All right, so I went out and did a consultation this morning in Snellville. He's going to get his floors done, screen recoat with UV cure. So anyway, guys, show you what we got going today. This is the residence of Julian. And right now I am booked out into the last week of March. But again, this is the busy season. Usually from March to about September is the busiest months. All right, guys, let me show you what we're going to be doing. Now they're about to start moving some furniture because again, we don't move furniture. So we're going to be doing this room right here. So they're going to move that sofa and this table. And then we're going to do this hallway right here. All right. So they're going to move this chair, this sofa. Beautiful home, guys. Beautiful historic home. And then up here, we're going to do this hallway. There's Tavares, this hallway, and this bathroom right here. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, man, the phones are blowing up. Since being here, I have about 4 potential clients that are going to send some pictures of the floors. But guys, look at this floor. That looks amazing. Clients very, very happy with the results. Oh, that looks so good. All right, guys. He's going to have us come back and do more. Oh, that looks so good. All right, guys. See you in the next one.